So I'm an author to 3 books. Boom. This was my first book. Bam. This was my second book. And bam. This was my third book. And I'm going to tell you how I wrote each book. And I'm going to put the links down below in the description to the Amazon for each book. And also tell you how I did them. So boom. This was my first book. Pictures Worth a Billion Words. So this just tells my photography, videography journey thus far, which is still going on as we speak. And it's really just a picture book. I just showed the different artists that I work with, you know what I'm saying? My whole journey from starting from the beginning to where you are today. I went on tour for videography. I got a few videos with millions of views in my archive on YouTube, and I've just made an impact on, you know what I'm saying, shooting content, shooting music videos. And with this book, all I needed was Canva, and I wrote each one on Canva, and then I used bookbolt.io. I'm gonna put all the links in the description below. And that's how I did my first book. And it's on Amazon right now. I'm gonna put a link of that as well. It's on Amazon right now. And this is very special to me because this is my first book. Granted, one thing I did do though, right? I didn't put numbers on the pages. That was one thing I didn't do, numbers on the pages. Came with a barcode and everything from Amazon, but that was one way I messed up on this one. No numbers on the page. Now the second book is very dear to me as well. Born to Win. You know what I'm saying? Now, my father, he always sends motivational quotes every day, you feel me, in a group chat. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put it into a book format. So in this book, you have over 200 plus quotes that he writes every day. And like I said, I went in Canva, wrote it up, and made a quote book out of it. You know what I'm saying? Every page has its own quotes. You know what I'm saying? Bada bee, bada boom. And see how thick it is. And this is also on Amazon. I designed the cover art to all these as well. Designed the back, you know what I'm saying? And from Canva, from an idea in my head, to Canva, to bookbolt.io, bow. You feel me? And the third book is Born to Win 2. So on the first one, we got 200 quotes. This one, we have 400 plus quotes. You see the thickness in each one. And same thing here. I didn't do too much with changing the cover. The cover on this one is basically just a refurbished. Well, I ain't gonna say refurbished. It's more like a upgraded quality on it, on the cover. And like I said, my dad does quotes every day. You know what I'm saying? He sends a group chat of quotes every day. And I was like, shoot, you know, this one did pretty decent with, you know, just random people buying the first one. So we're gonna make a second version with more quotes. And this is what it looks like in the inside. I created all the little graphics in it to what you see today. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, all these are available on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description to each one. And I'm gonna also put the links on Canva and bookbolt.io on how I did it. And each one, I was able to have it done and have a hard copy within a month. So within a month, the idea in my head came to fruition to it in hard copy form. And feel free to support, you know what I'm saying? I got that shit, man. Real author, man. Stop playing. You see it. Pictures Worth a Billion Words. You feel me? Show me when I was in Detroit, working with all these people. Lil Boozy. All kind of folks. They go Diddy right there. VZ. This is my first video. They got 1,000,000 views right here. So Slime. First video I did, they got 1,000,000 views, bro. So this is a whole journey, you know what I'm saying, of my videography, my director journey. So I hope I give anybody some inspiration and motivation that if you planning on or thinking about being an author and you got your books in your head and whatnot. I'm also working on another book. I ain't gonna disclose too much, but that's gonna come out real soon. You feel me? It might be even longer than this one. But you're working on your journey to have your own book, be an author. Your kid a goddamn author, man. Stop playing with him, put some respect on my shit, man. Yeah, these are all my books. Pictures worth 1,000,000,000 words. Born to Win 1, Born to Win 2. Y'all getting them on Amazon right now. Thank you.